We are doing cacio e pepe. Hey everybody, please come in.
I'm Jodi Williams, and this is Rita Sodi.
Hi.
And we're chef owners of Via Carota in New York City. It's good Italian food. Today we're cooking at home in Greenwich Village, and we're cooking from our cookbook, and you don't need a big kitchen to do it. You just need a couple pots. Ready for pasta?
Ready for pasta. First up, we are doing cacio e pepe. Water is boiling. Salt is there. This is a chitarra spaghetti. They are longer than normal and a little bit thicker. The cacio e pepe is a little bit different than the one we have in the book. In the book we have lasagna cacio e pepe, but the ingredients are the same. It's simple, fast, and delicious.
Butter, pecorino grated, black pepper, fresh cracked is the best, right? Is this yours?
Yeah.
What's this, 200 years old? There you go, wow.
That's good, right?
Yeah, that's it. So what's important now is that the pasta came out and Rita carried over a little bit of pasta water, which has salt and starch into it, and it's going to start to make the sauce. You flip and I cheese. Oh, that is it.
I look like when there is a nice sauce on top of that, and everything is melt together. More.
For a big bite.